So we are discussing area axiom for polygonal region R1 and R2. Okay, so we are taking here that one region R1, which is this sign means R1 may be equal to this region R2 or should be less than this region. Okay, that means R1 should be equal to the region R2 or should be less than, but not greater than R2. This sign means that. Okay, so that's implying area of R1 is less or equal to area of R2. Okay, now here if we take this, that is area of R1, this is called union sign, area of R1 union R2. Now what is the union sign? That is, suppose we take one region over here, this is R1, and again another region over here, this is R2. So the union region is this region is the union region. That is, if we draw another graph from here, this region is the union region. Understood that? So this shaded region is the union region. Understood that? So if so, area of R1 union R2 is equal to, that's implying area of R1 plus area of R2. Next, move to area axiom C, that is for a rectangular region ABCD with AB is equal to rectangular region, this is a rectangular region with AB is equal to B unit and AD is equal to A unit. I am taking AD is equal to A, AB is equal to B, that is length is equal to A, breadth is equal to B. So what will be my area of the rectangle? Area of rectangle ABCD is equal to AB square unit. Okay. Next come to base and altitude. Of a parallelogram. Now this is a figure of a parallelogram and AB is the base. So D, if we take D, so D is the altitude from the vertex D to side AB. Understood that? Now DF is also the altitude from the vertex D to the side BC. Understood that? Now here AB is called, if we take DE as altitude, then AB is called the base. If we take DF as altitude, BC is called the base. Okay, that is for this altitude, this is the base, this altitude, this is the BC should be the base. Next, move to theorem. There are various theorems are given. First theorem is given here: a diagonal of a parallelogram divide it into two equal triangle of equal area. That is, if I have a parallelogram like that, this diagonal divides this two triangle of equal area. Okay. Next, move to the definition of base and altitude is given in your book, so you should study it from your book. I hope you will be understand. Next, theorem 2. So this is the theorem 1. Next, theorem 2. I am telling only the statement. Theorem 2. Okay, I am telling only the statement. For today, it's your work to remember all the theorem and corollary that is given in your book. Okay, for today's work, to remember all the theorem together with the corollary that is given in your book, and I will provide you some solution of exercise of this chapter. That is exercise. This is, I think this is exercise 10A. Exercise 10A. I will providing you some solution, and rest of the solution I will do in our next class. So here the proof of theorem 1 is given in your book. Next, theorem 2, that is given in your book. Next, here one corollary is given: a parallelogram and a rectangle on the same base between the same parallel have equal area. That is also you have to remember. Next, corollary 2, the area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. That we all know, area of a parallelogram is equal to how much? Base into height. Okay. Next, move to another corollary: parallelogram on equal base and between the same parallel are equal area. Here are the proof is given. You should go through the proof and must remember the theorem statement, all the theorem statement. Okay, you have to remember that, otherwise you can't able to solve the questions that is given in your book. Okay, so please go through the theorem proof. You have to remember the theorem statement also. Next, here one more corollary given, that corollary 4, area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. Area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. Here the proof is also given for corollary 4. Okay, page number 337 in my book. Next, corollary 5. What is given in corollary 5? If a triangle and a parallelogram are on the same base and between the same parallel, a triangle and parallelogram, okay, between the same base and same parallel, I am drawing the picture, that is this is the same parallel. Okay, a triangle, if a triangle and parallelogram, this is the parallelogram, this is a parallelogram, is lying between same base and same base, this is same base and same parallel, then the area of a triangle is equal to the area of a half of area of the parallelogram, that is this is A, B, C, D, E. So area of triangle BCE is equals to area of half of area by 2, half of area of ABCD, parallelogram ABCD. Okay, you can give it here the parallelogram sign also. Next, area of a trapezium, you know about that, half into sum of the parallel sides into distance between them. Proof is given. Next, corollary 7, area of a rhombus is equal to half into product of its diagonal. Proof is given. Go through the proof. Next, theorem 4. Theorem 4, I am telling the statement. If the triangles have equal base and one side of one triangle is equal to one side of the other, then their corresponding altitude are equal. Okay, that is the statement. So, and here some results are given, some result at a glance. I am showing you that some result at a glance, so that you can understand. This is given, this is some result at a glance. Okay, and this is the last theorem, this is the last theorem, that if two triangles have equal areas and one side equal, this is the last theorem. So that's it for today's class. And again, here solved examples is also given. Example 1, 2 very much examples are given in R.S. Agarwal mathematics book. I hope it is 22 examples. 22 examples are given. So don't miss any single one. Just go through all of that. Next, we will start exercise 10A. This exercise, I will provide you some solution. Okay, and you should write that up in your class or copy. Okay, for today's, that is area chapter, geometry, and we will discuss another solution in our next class. Okay, so that's it for the introduction of area regarding the geometry of chapter 10 R.S. Agarwal mathematics book. So till then, keep watching my channel, do subscribe and stay with us and stay home. Thank you.